To learn web development from basic to advanced with each technology, you can follow these steps. Learn the basics. Start by learning the fundamentals of web development, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of web development, and you can't create a website without them. Choose a framework. Once you have a basic understanding of web development, you can choose a framework such as React, Angular, or Vue. A framework is a collection of tools and libraries that make web development faster and more efficient. Learn a backend language. In addition to the front-end, you'll also need to learn a backend language such as Node.js, Python, or Ruby. This will enable you to create dynamic and interactive web applications. Learn a database. Most web applications require a database to store and retrieve data. You can learn databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, or MongoDB. Learn how to use version control. Version control is essential for collaboration and managing code changes. Learn Git and GitHub, which are popular version control tools used by developers worldwide. Practice and build projects. Once you've learned the basics, start building projects to practice and hone your skills. Create simple applications and gradually move towards more complex projects. Keep learning. Web development is a constantly evolving field, so it's important to keep learning and stay up to date with the latest technologies and trends. Follow online communities, attend webinars, and read articles and tutorials to stay informed. Overall, learning web development from basic to advanced with each technology involves a combination of learning the fundamentals, choosing a framework and backend language, learning databases and version control, practicing and building projects, and continuing to learn and stay up to date with the latest technologies.